Are you tired of waffles that stick to a pan and never come out right? I know I was, and today I'm here with the perfect solution for all of your waffle making woes. This waffle machine is revolutionizing breakfast. It's a compact Belgian waffle maker with a non-stick ceramic plate. And this bad boy definitely ensures quick food release and even easier cleanup, literally wipe and go. And that's not all this bad boy does. If you're like me and you kind of like a crispy waffle, you know, the outsides are kind of nice and crispy, but the soft is nice and fluffy. This one comes with a really cool customizable browning control knob that you can make it as crispy or as light as you want. And on top of that, if you're like me, you don't like a lot of clutter, this is compact and it has upright storage design, sliding away in any cabinet or pantry door. And finally, if you want to know when your waffle's done, it even features a preheat and ready indicator lights. How cool is that? No more guessing on when to pour the batter or when your waffles are ready. Ready to throw out your old crusty dusty waffle maker and get one as cool as mine? Make sure you go ahead and click the link below. You can buy this Belgian waffle maker available on Amazon right now. Super affordable. So what are you waiting for? Click that link.